Today we are going to create a free YouTube API key. You will be able to use this API key to show YouTube data within your MakoBoard dashboard. First, log into your Google Cloud account. There is a link to the Google Cloud URL in the description below. Once you log in, you will need to create a new project. Click on the New Project button. Name the project something that makes sense so you can remember it and click the Create button. Once the project is created, you will need to find the YouTube Data API by using the search at the top. Please note there are different YouTube APIs. You will need the Data API like the one shown. Enable the API by pressing the button. Now that this project has the API enabled, you will need to create an API key for this project. Click on Credentials from the left-hand menu. Here you will see a list of current credentials, which are none at the moment. We are going to be creating an API key, so at the top click Create Credentials. Select API key. An API key will be generated for you. Copy this API key and go to your MakoBoard install. Within the YouTube app, you will need to add these new credentials. Input a nickname which you can remember. Then paste the API key in and press the Add button. You will see your new YouTube API key saved inside the current credentials area. To test that it works, we are going to create a new dashboard and use the YouTube API key. Click on the Dashboards menu option and start creating a new dashboard. Input a name and a URL. Once inside the new dashboard, we are going to add the various YouTube widgets. We're going to concentrate on seeing MrBeast's YouTube channel and his data. You can arrange the widgets however you like as the default loading. Once done, click on the View Dashboard button, and if you did everything right, you should see YouTube data for MrBeast. If you have any questions, you can contact us at any time and we will be glad to help you.